All right, guys, I'm out here at the apartment complex, set up over there. Just finished that building, soft washed it, cleaned all the concrete up there. I got a nice little time lapse on the back side over there, some good pictures. I'm gonna show you this. This is just awful work, guys. We get a lot of calls to come fix other guys' mistakes. Someone literally tried to wand this whole area. I mean, look how bad that is. Good example of what we're cleaning here. I may do another time lapse there, but that's either the maintenance guys or the $99 guy, because that's pretty bad. All right, guys, so I got my tank filling up now. Over there, I'm gonna use 8 gallons per minute. I've got my hose pulled to there. I'm gonna clean down through there, this section here, down through there. Soft wash this side here, pretty tall. XJet should hit that no problem. And that might be it for me today. Got a couple of quotes to go do. My business partner is cleaning some heavy equipment for one of our bigger accounts. And I'll go ahead and knock this section here, the sidewalk out. And that'll be it for me. All right, guys, so I'll show you guys how I do this XJetting. Got my reservoir there, my 1% mix made. I'm attached. Turn my ball valve on. I have my XJet fan all the way open, which means it's going to be a shooter tip type. All right, let's do this. I'm able to hit the end of that building all the way to the end. And this is also pre-treating all that concrete for me. So that's a win-win. Let that dwell. Since I'm really close to this real dirty area, I'm going to swap it over to a fan by closing it. See how that closed? Still got plenty of SH left there. It's already clearing up quite a bit over there. All right, guys, now it's time for a good healthy rinse. You can tell how much it's already cleared up without me even rinsing it. I mean, it's a pretty dramatic difference. The concrete even looks better. I haven't even hit it with a surface cleaner yet. I'm detached from my XJet reservoir. It's down there because I went ahead and got all of that. So it's time for a good rinse. Still got it on fan. Make sure you get all the SH off the vinyl to avoid streaking. Get all the cobwebs off. I put some soap, a good bit of soap in that batch there to weigh down the all the spider webs and cobwebs, and they're coming down a lot easier. I usually don't use a whole lot of soap when I downstream or XJet, but for this particular job, since there's so many cobwebs, I need something to weigh those down. I put a little bit of soap in there. So All right, guys, I'm gonna give this a good rinse, and I'll post some before and after pictures. Guys, day 3 of this apartment complex. I got my truck set up right here. We've pretty much done all of the concrete on this bottom level here. I'm about to soft wash this area here of vinyl. As you can tell, it's really dirty. I get all this soft washed. I mean, all that is just dust and mold. A lot of cobwebs. I mean, look on top of the little tin parts there. This place is filthy. So I'm gonna use my X-Jet like I've been doing on this entire job. That side there is nice and clean. This job's flying. I would say we're probably a little over halfway finished with this job. I cleaned all of this yesterday. It looks great. So I'm gonna post a lot of before and afters in this video once we finish. My business partner should be here in the next 5-10 minutes. So we cleaned all of this already. Concrete looks great. Got the steps done. I am gonna knock out the pool deck today. I've completed all of this. We've gotten most of the top done. Yeah, we are smoking this job. So anyways, I'm gonna crank up and get started. I'll see y'all in a second when I start soft washing this building here and that building over there. So I just did this entire section here. So the end product is still drying a little bit. Did all of that. You can see where I stopped right there. I'm gonna have to get on that ledge right there to reach the rest of that. I'm gonna have to get somewhere down there to get the rest of that, but I timed myself and I did this entire section, that section up in there, all of that in 12 minutes. That's applying and rinsing. So that's why I love the X-Jet, because downstreaming, you have to apply chem, and then you have to go pull out your suction for your downstream injector, come back and rinse. Unless you have some kind of fancy remote, which a lot of guys have, but I just enjoy X-Jetting a lot more. Like I said, I can just stage these 1 gallon 10% SH gallons here just around the area I'm cleaning. I fill it up 1 gallon, rest water, put some soap in there, apply it on the vinyl, rinse it off within a few minutes, and it cleans up really well. So that's been the process. My business partner has an 8 gallon per minute rated X-Jet. He's over there just flying through this. We're just real big on the X-Jet right now. It's doing really well for us. I love the ability to adjust the nozzle from fan to pretty much a shooter tip. Here's my setup here. This is a high pressure gun. I put a short lance on there, and then this is my X-Jet. Obviously the DN10 ball valve. That's my reservoir. So smoking this job. All right, guys, we're on this back side. I mean, it's really tall back here. We've got the 10 gallon per minute machine over here feeding off the 525 tank. It's just a bunch of just dust and dirt up in there, so it's not mold. So we're just giving this a good healthy rinse. It's all coming down pretty well. We're getting some wind right now, so it's making it a little bit challenging. I got my step ladder over here for him, but it's all cleaning up nicely. You can see the dirt coming down. It looks super clean. So I don't know if you can tell, but a lot of dirt coming down there. All right, I'm gonna go back to the other side and get back to soft washing. We're gonna get everything soft washed, and then we're gonna finish all the flat work. Hopefully be finished by Friday.